Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. In this video, I'm going to bring you an update on the Harmony price because Harmony has been pumping like crazy. Let me find it. That's not it. I thought I had it in place. Let me load up the Harmony chart. Listen, I ain't cutting. I usually keep this in raw, fresh, and organic like Tesco's. I'm going to do the same thing. Harmony. Hold on. I want to show you some Harmony. I have up the indicator. What indicator? The trading chart with my indicators, but I want to show you the price of what Harmony's at now. It's sitting at 22 pence. In my last video on Harmony with technical analysis, I was saying to you, I see it coming up to the 33-cent mark, which is about 25 pence. And, it's working its way towards it. And just to show you what fib retracement that was on, I was talking the 1.6 fib. If it breaks that, I'm obviously looking for it to see it go higher. Before I go any further, if this sounds interesting to you, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Are you holding Harmony? If you are, drop your comments down below, let me know. But I need to let you know, I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my own personal opinions on the market. So please do your further research before you invest your money. That being said, it is testing the, close to this 33-cent mark. And it's, clear skies ahead. It did exactly what I said. In my last video, I said to you, it looks like it's forming this bullish bull flag where you have price action between these two white lines here that I drew up, and I said to you there's a flagpole coming down, and if you measured the flagpole across over to here, it looks like it could extend and go up towards the 33-cent price, and it looks like it can still do that. Matter of fact, I'm going to show you another chart in a second in relation to Harmony as to how much momentum is behind this buying power, because I'll tell you what, there's still a lot more room that I personally think for Harmony to rise. And if it does break this line, because I'm going to just really zoom out a bit, if it breaks this line, we could potentially see it fly to the next level, which is the 50-cent price, and that's the Fibonacci retracement of 2.61. It sounds crazy to think that it can go from 30 cents to 50 cents fast, but guys, do not underestimate the buy power. I'm going to show you this on a different chart real quick so you can see. Let me just get this back to normal. So let's take a look at this chart over here. Hold on. This one here. I brought up the stochastic RSI along with the normal RSI on the Harmony chart against Tether, right? Because, most people are trading and putting into Tether. It's the most popular chart. Let's just take a look at the RSI first because it does show some important structure here as to, if someone, sorry, let me just bring it down a minute. If someone's looking to trade this chart, hold on. Here we go. That's what I was trying to do. If someone's looking to trade Harmony, you want to look at what the RSI is doing and how high did it go before? What kind of levels can you look at taking profits? Is there a window of opportunity? I see one right here and roughly round about. Let me just have a look. Maybe somewhere here. Now, the reason I'm choosing this window of opportunity because if you look in the past, that the RSI has always just peaked above it, or it's held resistance and fell down. The last time it seriously broke, it was here. You can see between this window of opportunity right here. If I double click back and just really focus our attention on this area here, this part here. You can see what happened to Harmony's price the last time, we saw the RSI extend up this high. You can see it here. Look at the price of Harmony. Let me just minimize this for a minute, the stochastic RSI, hide it. Just focus on the price. Look at it. Harmony went right down here from, what price is this? A penny, all the way up to, it was 1,763%. It went up to 21, really? 21 cents. And the reason I show you this, the RSI is because, it looks like it's still got a lot of room to go up. Take a look. But if you want to trade this short term, meaning maybe in the next week, and you're looking for a time to, maybe take some profits and then buy back into Harmony, because it's likely you might see a pullback come at some stage. But I think it's going to be down to this, what we're seeing here, the RSI. This is a momentum mover. Like it's slow. Like price action happens and then, the momentum picks up. But I've circled these two areas. You can see here, the green and the yellow. The last time we saw Harmony's price really, the stochastic RSI cross, where the blue went above the orangey reddish line. You can see here the cross. Look at the price action from where Harmony went from here to the green circles. And the reason I've circled it here on the RSI because this is where it crosses back down. So you got the blue line crossing with the red. So technically speaking, whenever the blue line on the stochastic RSI is above the red line, price action goes up. And if it's, you know, below, then price action comes down. And it shows it here. You can see clearly, like, just grab a line. Like, you can see that when price action went down, it went from there down to there, right? And obviously when, you know, we saw the cross of the blue here, you see the price action go from there. Oh, let me just grab this little trend line again, from here all the way up to here. So, and another thing is, you know, the stochastic RSI gives you a good insight as to how long price action can keep going, because if you look, when it came up and it was up in this area, range area here, I'm just going to draw a line. Look over here, it was at the sort of the 96 level. Oh, no, it went. Bring it down. It was at the 71-ish level for a period of time. And if you want to be exact, how many days was it there? We can check from the moment it got to the top, from here to here when it crossed, about 10 days. So what I'm saying to you is that there's still more momentum to go in Harmony's price. You can see it, and look at the stochastic RSI. The red, the blue's coming up, the red's coming up. I expect the RSI to remain up above the 71 level for a period of 10 days. That was the one with the yellow and the green circles. Take a look at this one here. So we've got, again, when it came up here, it was a period of 10 days that it was up there. And I'm just looking at price action whilst the stochastic RSI is up here. Look at what the price action is doing. It was still going up and up and up. So, you know, when you take the stochastic RSI into consideration, this is on the daily time frame, meaning each candle is a day's worth of action. When you take that into consideration, there's a lot more buy power that can come in, which means that, you know, it might relatively fall in place with this and come up to the 50-cent level. So maybe 50 cents could be a good place to consider taking some minor profits, you know, let the price fall back down, catch the, you know, this, because this yellow line here, the 21 moving average, that's moving up all the time. Try to grab it. This yellow line, you know, it's moving up with it all the time. Maybe it will, you know, take, this is what I'm thinking in my head. Let it reach up to this 50-cent level, take some profits, let it fall down to the 21, buy back in. That's what I'm thinking with Harmony One. You don't have to do it. It's not investment advice. It's just, you know, a little rough guide as to what I think we could do with this Harmony price so we can buy more Harmony. Because at the end of the day, I see it coming up to this full fib extension, this 4.23 fib, which I've drawn here, right at the very top. Harmony is going to go there. I don't know how long it's going to take to get there, but I'll tell you what, it's going to get there. Because most of these other coins have done it. I showed you the Solana charts. I'll show you again real quick for those who are new watching. This is the Solana chart. Take a look at this, the full fib extension. So I'm going to have to drag it down here. You know, and to be fair, I can, you know, really do another video on this because, you know, it's testing this area again. Look, it reached right up to its full Fibonacci of 4.23, and it actually extended it. And if you look here, just real quick, Solana's looking to touch it again and see if it can break it. So it does give you an insight as to what other coins can do, and that's what I'm using as a good guide. And I'm thinking that Harmony is going to do the same thing, and it is going to test these higher highs of the Fibonacci retracements. So this was literally a quick, short video to guide you on your journey. Are you holding Harmony? Are you new to my channel? If you are, drop that like, give me a subscribe, and everyone, thank you for watching. I truly appreciate you all. It has to be quick. If you want to become a patron, I've got 7 tiers, take your pick. I recommend going for my buy, sell, stake alert tier, because in that tier, you will see exactly when I buy, exactly when I sell. Look, you're going to know when I'm selling because I'll drop the alert. They won't miss it. And if it sounds like it's something for you, go for it. Loads of different tiers. The tiers do different things, like my words just ain't coming out. I have 10% if you want to grab it annually. So if you go for the annual, save yourself 10%. Let me just extend this so you can see here. This one here, exclusive VIP partner tier. If you want that little bit more, you can grab my CEO partner tier, which is behind my fat head, but you can't see it. It gives you my super alerts. What is that? You get exclusive access to my VIP Telegram group. Hello, I'm seeing people come in here. Big up to you, welcome in. This gives you my super alerts where I talk to you way before I buy, way before I sell, way before I do anything. It's all in there. So, you know, check it out. High crypto profile users in this space. They've got big money in this space talking about good stuff. So check it out if it's for you, if you can afford it and whatnots. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.